So I was just wanting to do a what's in my tool bag video. It's my first YouTube video, so bear with me. I'm a maintenance technician at an apartment complex, and this is what I carry with me when I'm doing service calls or work orders. Pretty much will get me through the day with just this bag. So let's get started. I use the Veto Pro Pack Tech MCT. Had it for about 3 months now. Love it. I used to carry the Milwaukee job site backpack. Also love that bag. I just found myself squeezing more and more stuff into it. And I've been seeing these a lot. And I've been wanting one for a while and finally got myself to spend the money on it. But it was well worth it. So start off with the outside of the bag. Front side, just carry some spare box cutter blades. Top, got smart key, little Allen wrenches, little random things. On the side, tape clip, carry the Milwaukee 16-footer magnetic tip. Milwaukee's fastback. This is one of the originals. When it first came out, had it for a while. I like it, all metal, solid. Little strap wrench for our faucets. We'll use the goosenecks, and I don't want to tear it up with the check locks. On the side, little husky pouch, a carabiner, some wire nuts, screws, things of that sort. Comes with this tape strap, Teflon ledge tape. Also have this Klein non-contact tester. It's model, I don't know what model it is. I don't know, can't find it right now. But it does 12 to 1,000 volts. It's actually IP67 waterproof and dustproof. It's pretty good. Independent flashlight. It's pretty bright. Even with the light on, you can still see it. And then it also has the tester. It'll rate low to high, depending on the voltage. Carry this Klein 4-in-1. That's 2 Phillips. I think a 00 and a 1, and then that's 2 flats. It's good thermostat and towel bars. Milwaukee ink saw. Backside, this pouch. Carry a spare number 2 Phillips for my drill. I got this Malco. As you can see, it says 5/16 and quarter. No nut driver stubby. What it is a quarter on one side. It's magnetic. Pops all the way off. See, it's magnetic. See if I can get in there one-handed. It's 5/16 on the other. Haven't used it yet. I just bought it. Thought it was pretty cool. On top, carry get it out. Rigid pipe cutter. This fits right in there. And up to the front. Main compartment of the bag. Let's keep the hand tools. So I like to keep just what I need, the bare minimum. Anything else, specialty tools, plumbing, or extra AC things, I carry in separate bags in my truck because I don't use them very often. This, for the most part, will get me through a full day's worth of work orders. It's rare that I have to grab specialty tools from my truck. Screwdrivers, I like Klein. Carry this Klein switch drive. Use any 1/4 inch bit on this. For instance, I bought the Klein 3/16 flat, Phillips 1 and 2, Robinson 1 and 2. These are 3-inch bits, and these are actually impact rated as well. And they just pop right in here, locks in place, and I got a little screwdriver. And then I also carry for this, since I don't carry it, I got a 5/16 1/4-inch nut drivers. I had the 5/16 1/4-inch Klein nut drivers with the handles, but it just took up too much space. And I like these because I can stick them in these little compartments they have here. And also, if I need to, I can use these on my impact driver. I also have the Milwaukee's 6-inch, 1/4-inch, and 5/16 nut driver. So, that's something down here. I got Klein 6-in-1 stubby. Nobody's seen those. And there. Carry Klein's insulated screwdrivers, Phillips fathead, 6-in-1 extended. I like that because it's just longer than the 11-in-1s. 11-in-1s are short, and sometimes you need this extra length to get in certain places. I do carry an 11-in-1 as well. Beater, metal base, Milwaukee snips, and all my pliers are Milwaukee. I like them. I like the handles, and they're not too expensive, and they haven't done me wrong, so stick with them. I switched to Klein because I like the Klein handles a lot better than Milwaukee screwdriver handles. So, Milwaukee 6-inch channel locks, 6-inch diagonal cutters, this multi-pliers. Let's see, it does solid 8 to 18, stranded 10 to 20. Cut your bolts, 632s, 832 bolts, and these cutters are really good. Had these for a while, I like them. Had the first gen as well. They're good. Gave them down to my brother and bought these. I like these handles better. You can see the new handles I really like. Needle nose. Lines and pliers with the crimper. Get in there. Usually, kind of struggling here with this one-handed thing. Crimpers, they're good. I like them. Nice and loose. What else? It's Milwaukee 8-inch with the hex head. These are good. I don't use them often. One thing I don't like is this push button. You can see how wide it is, how far it sticks out. I wish they would have made it more flush. Reason because try screwing something, it just gets in the way. So they come in handy, but I don't use them very often. This your 10-inch channel locks. I use vice grip 6-inch and 8-inch crescent wrenches. What else? Allen wrenches and disposal wrench. I got a little neoprene pocket. I don't keep nothing in there. I think some spare bits from my 11-in-1. Get that back in there. I'll put and that's all for the hand tools. Let's see. Don't carry too many. Just what I need. Onto the back side. Those are your meter side. tools. I like this bag a lot because I can keep my drill in here. It's not a big drill, but fits in there perfect. Milwaukee M12 fuel brushless impact. Great drill. Probably charge it every 2-3 days. I really like the M12 line. I actually also use the M12 hammer with the 1/2 inch. Can't think of what it's called, but fits up to 1/2 inch, which is really good for an M12. That's also brushless. I use the M12 brushless circular saw and the M12 hack saw. For what I do, the M12 line is perfect for me. I don't need the big 18 volts. They get the job done. Raptor torpedo level. In this little pocket, I got a neoprene pocket here. Carry a field piece SPK1 folding thermometer. I carry some DeWalt drill bits, nothing fancy. I like to leave that little thing just in case I need them. They're here, so I don't have to run back to the truck. But if I need anything bigger, I do carry bigger ones, Milwaukee cases in the truck. Milwaukee's folding jab saw. Let me open it up. Takes regular hacksaw blades, so comes in handy. See up top, Milwaukee's bits, the little bit holder. I don't use these very often either, but if I need them, they're there. It's small, it's compact. Klein outlet tester. Service wrench. It's a yellow jacket. It's another bit. It's a bit I use for my drill. It's a little shutter valve holder, and it has a remover. It's hard plastic, not too bad. Got this Klein bit holder, multi-bit holder. Base is a 9/16. Could flip it. And got a 5/16 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch side takes any standard bit, so I can actually use any bit from this Milwaukee set. And then the back side, it's a Robinson number 2, I believe. Yeah, and a 3/16 flat. I use this mainly when if I need to change out receptacles, things of that sort. I like to stick these EXC bit for the receptacles. I'll put that on instead of the number 2, and then I could just screw those in and flip it over with the flat and put the plate cover on. So like that. I don't use it often. I really, the one thing I don't like is how big it is. I guess that's why I don't use it very often. 6-inch number 2 bit, and then 6-inch extension self lock. I got this Nebo Slide King magnetic base. It's rechargeable. I actually lost the piece to it. Open it up. It's a work flashlight. Has 3 modes. Don't really need those red ones. And you hold it down, it'll dim it. Close it, turns it off, and then it's really bright. So let's zoom in, make it smaller. Same thing. Hold it down. Lightens it up. Turn it off. Double click it. It's nice. Magnetic base. Magnet's really strong. Good for working in air handlers. Things of that sort. What else? Last, field piece meter. I actually just got this. probably yesterday. I was using a little Klein cheap $50 meter. It worked, but I wanted the field piece. This one wasn't that expensive actually. I got it on sale for $100. Came with a little pouch. Let's see if I can get it out one-handed. And this is, I like how small it is. I was debating on getting the bigger one with the swivel head, but I don't really need it. And this is for keep it in the bag. It's the model SC260. It's resistant, it's microfarads, non-contact tester, temperature, amperage, AC, voltage AC, DC. It also has a backlight, which is pretty cool. Hold button on the side, a little bitty magnet. Said I haven't got to use it yet, but has everything I need, and it's really small. It didn't come with the gator clips. I already had them, and then it came with a K-couplet measuring temperature. And that's what I carry in this bag. So I also carry this with me on my side sometimes. If I have work orders for small things like just changing a disposal or a fail valve or things I don't need to carry this, just carry a little disposal wrench. I have this little flashlight I got from Supply House for free. It also charges your phones. It's pretty bright, not too bad. 4 different settings. Supply House screwdriver, fill the fat with straighter valve. Carry a, get it out. Milwaukee box cutter, Husky. Also have this Milwaukee tester with the flashlight. Inksaw, Milwaukee 11-in-1. I carry a little bitty 6.5 inch tape measure just hooked onto it. I got some Husky multipliers. These are pretty good. I like them. They do solid 10 to 16 and 12 to 18 stranded. And then they have for your screws, which is pretty cool. I wish the Milwaukee ones had that. And then just some 10-inch Husky channel locks. And a little 6-inch crescent wrench. So that's what I use at work, guys. Thanks for watching.